Hey guys, welcome to our Monday series of Selfish Sprouts, our invasive species day. Today we're going to talk about Multiflora Rose. Michael here with the DNR at Lincoln State Park. He's going to give us some information about the Multiflora Rose. So first, how do you ID it, Michael?
Well, the best way to identify the Multiflora Rose versus some of the native stuff is these hooks on the briars are really aggressive. They turn backwards and they'll grab you and pull you hard. Also, they're the first thing in the woods to get green. So when it's late March or even early March, here's Multiflora Rose, the only thing in the woods that's even green. Now these guys actually have white flowers. We have native prairie rose and we have native swamp rose and they have pink flowers. These guys will manifest with the white flowers. And they're so much more, the reason I can tell them apart, those two species apart, is because of the really aggressive form of this guy.
So as opposed to blackberry or greenbrier, what's another way you can tell them apart?
Well, greenbrier has a straight thorn. It's got no hook on it whatsoever. And it's almost completely green, where this one has a little bit of red to it. The stem of the Multiflora Rose is completely round. The stem of the blackberry has got edges to it. And that's by far the easiest way to tell that. If you have a thorn bush that has edges to it, then you're probably looking at that.
Gotcha. So, history about the Multiflora Rose. How did it get here?
Well, we planted it mostly. When I say we, I mean, us right here at DNR. It was planted as a wildlife plant because it provides, there are a few good things here. It provides cover for the birds, nesting place. It provides habitat. Back in the 1930s, if you would have taken pictures of Lincoln State Park, you would have seen hardly any trees at all. There was no habitat. So when we planted these, we were trying to create habitat. We also were trying to make a living fence. We thought we could make a living fence out of these nasty briars to keep the animals within the yards or within their pasture. That didn't really work out, but we did plant, and again, DNR provided lots and lots of free Multiflora Rose bushes, and through the years they just escaped.
How do you get rid of it?
Well, the way we get rid of it, we knock it back physically. So we mechanically come in and we take our clippers and we cut it all the way back. Now that doesn't completely kill it. We have to kill it. We have to do one of two things. We spray it with various different herbicides, or you pull the roots and really out. That's kind of hard to do. You can do that. You wrap a can in a four-wheeler and wrap it around the base and take off, especially in wet weather when the soil is moist. You can pull that whole darn thing out, and that's a really good way to do it. But the way I like to do it is I usually have students from Heritage Hills Middle School come in. I have a lot of volunteers. We just cut it away and slowly go into the middle. And I always say, make sure you get these out of the way, otherwise they're going to get caught up into your feet and you'll have no chance at all of getting to the middle. So I just gently cut away. Get close to the bottom. Eventually I can get to the middle here without getting torn up too bad. And those stems are the base of that plant. So if you get it, we try to get it down as far as we possibly can. And then next spring when it comes back out, that's when it really comes back spraying hard. That's one way to get rid of them.
Well, thank you so much, Michael, for your help today and your information and knowledge here at Lincoln State Park. If you guys have any questions about whether you have Multiflora Rose or any other invasive species at your property or somewhere that you're concerned about it being, give us a call, or even your state park, DNR, can help you out with where to direct you. Thanks, guys.